Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do Pisces December month love reading, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Pisces water sign. So let's see your messages. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your recent past, Pisces. Your recent past. The moon, your card. Ace of Wands. Ace of Pentacles. In recent past, I think there are some illusions between you and your person. The moon is some illusion, some disturbances between you and your person. Energy could be vice versa, take what resonate. But one person is ready to offer long-term commitment and passionate new beginnings. In recent past, it could be your person. Definitely one person is ready in this connection if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely one person want to take this relationship to next level in recent past. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, so let's see. Or you want to offer long-term commitment to your person. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Five of Cups, the Empress, Three of Pentacles. I think for some there is separation between both of you. Yeah, you may be feeling very sad for the separation between both of you, or your person could feeling right now very sad. Energy could be vice versa. I think one person in this connection stand by their power. I think it's your person, but you are feeling sad for the separation. Yeah, your person now stand by their power. It could be your person, but I am getting it's your person. And Three of Pentacles, definitely there is no collaboration between both of you in past. That's why the separation is happened between both of you. I think the one person who there always for you is your person in this connection. But after your person walked away after the separation, they stand by their power, they've overcome the pain. But you are now feeling very, very sad. Yeah, there is no collaboration, there is no partnership between both of you. For some there is separation, for some right now there is no contact. If there is any contact, that is less contact between both of you. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see some more messages. Devil, Judgment, King of Cups. I think one person in this connection going to make some major decision. Judgment means one person will get justice also, but one person is overthinking obsessively about the other person. The devil energy. One person in this connection may be addicted to some bad habits also, or you both may be obsessed with each other. But I think you want to offer this cup of love to your person. I am getting Pisces, or your person could be. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Or this could be your person have strong emotions, still they are not seeing your way, they are seeing somewhere. But I think you are obsessed with your person. You are obsessively thinking about your person. Someone, I think your person may be taking some major decision, I am getting. Or you are going to take some major decision and you want to offer this cup of love to you. Yeah, Pisces. But your person stand by their power. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Your person could be Capricorn or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings towards you first. Then we'll see their actions. Your person current feelings. Ace of Cups, Two of Wands. Wow, your person has strong emotions for you, Pisces. Definitely they are thinking about you a lot. And this could be long distance relationship. Two of Wands is here. Definitely you both live in different cities, different countries and different states. And Ace of Cups with Queen of Cups. Definitely your person have strong emotions. Even though they stand by their power, they don't want to lose their self-respect. I am getting. That's why they stand by their power. That's why they walked away if you are in separation, because they want to give respect first themselves, then they want to They don't want to lose self-respect, that I am getting. Definitely they have strong emotions for you. They are thinking about you a lot, Pisces. There is no doubt about it, because Ace of Cups with Queen of Cups. Definitely there is love. Your person loves you, there is no doubt. And this could be long distance relationship. So your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a lot of water energies here, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Hanged Woman, Ace of Pentacles, 2 times Ace of Pentacles. I think you both are ready for commitment. Wow. Yeah, they want passionate new beginnings with you. Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and yeah, your person right now undergoing some spiritual awakening. They are stuck right now, Pisces, your person, because they are thinking about you a lot. They are stuck, but in near future, definitely they will offer new beginning to you. Ace of Pentacles with Ace of Wands, definitely new beginnings, brand new beginnings, passionate new beginnings. They want passionate new beginning with you, Pisces. Yeah, but they are stuck right now. But they will make a move towards you in near future, because they have strong emotions for you. They are very, very passionate about you. Ace of Wands is here. You both want same thing, and you both are on the same page. You both want reconciliation, and you both have strong emotions for each other, Pisces. So your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future, then we will get more clarity. King of Cups, 8 of Swords, 7 of Swords, 8 of Wands. I think connection cards. I want clarification card for 7 of Swords. Perfect. Yeah. Definitely one person in this connection in past, they don't want to offer any commitment to other person. I think it could be you. That's why the separation has happened, Pisces. But now want to offer commitment to your person. But now your person stuck literally, because Hanged Woman is there. Definitely your person undergoing some spiritual awakening, Pisces. In near future there will be some movement, because 8 of Wands, communication. I think you both will communicate back and forthly. This is the mutual energy, and one person has strong emotions for the other person. Definitely these are mutual energies. Your person and you both have strong emotions for each other, and you both want to communicate. Definitely some communication is going to be happen in the month of December. So I think one person sneaky in this connection in past, but they will be changed in near future. If it is not third party, it is okay. If it is third party, please think twice before giving any chance to your person. Second chance I am getting. So definitely Hierophant with 7 of Swords. I think there are some commitment issues in past. Those issues are going to be resolved in near future. Some communication. King of Cups. You both have strong emotions, and you both want to express your feelings with each other. Yeah, you both want to offer long-term commitment. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Pisces. Knight of Cups, 6 of Wands, 4 of Pentacles, and 7 of Pentacles. I think you invested in this connection definitely, but you are not expressing your feelings to your person. That may be the reason also, but you want success in this connection. Definitely you are going to express your feelings and your love to your person, but it is very slow moving energy, Knight of Cups. Yeah, you have strong emotions, and yeah, you want to express your love to your person. And your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's see your person overall energy for the month. Temperance, 9 of Pentacles, 6 of Cups, and 5 of Swords. Definitely there are some disturbances still going between both of you. Your person thinking about the disturbances a lot. And 6 of Cups, definitely they want reconciliation with you. And 9 of Pentacles, they stand by their power. Already told you, definitely they stand by their power. Even though they want reconciliation, they don't want to make first move. They are waiting for you take first move towards them. Then definitely you will get positive response from them if you want reconciliation. Temperance, because they are definitely waiting for the right time, and they are balanced now. Your person is balanced now, Pisces. Definitely you have to make first move towards them if you want reconciliation. They have feelings for you, but they don't want to express their feelings. because they don't want to lose their self-respect. Yeah, if you make any move towards your person, definitely you will get positive result for some, because temperance, you or your person could be Sagittarius also. They want balance and patience in this connection. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.